Dry eye is a huge problem that a lot of people are dealing with. I want to talk to you about some solutions that can really help improve, cure, and even manage it for those of you guys who have really severe cases in long term due to maybe some underlying autoimmune cases or maybe from side effect from some medication that you could be taking. The main reason you can get dry eye is obviously can be driven by allergies, inflammation, autoimmune conditions, viruses, infections, so on and so forth. But what happens is this inflammation will actually cook the fluids, will dry it out. We have three types of fluids that make up our tear film, right? Those are our tears that keep our eyes moist. We have mucus, which is why the first recommendation that we have for you is to increase your intake of omega-3 DHAs. Specifically, we have our AcuVision DHA product that will help improve your lipids internally so that your body will secrete and moisten itself. So also good for things like dry skin, but this will absolutely help your dry eye. We recommend 4 capsules a day, around 4,000 milligrams a day of this should absolutely help. Sometimes more, sometimes less. The second thing we recommend is our Vision Mins, which is our mineral electrolyte salts to help the body hold the fluids in. Now, we want to make sure you're drinking plenty of fluids, but without the electrolytes, the body simply can't hold the fluids. If you've ever experienced drinking water and it goes right through you, and you have to urinate pretty fast after drinking water, one of those reasons is because you could be electrolyte insufficient. So taking electrolytes like Vision Mins will help allow you to hold these electrolytes, hold the fluids, so that your hydration levels are where they need to be. The last thing we want to talk about is topically using our LipoVision eye drops. These are our oil-based LipoVision drops that you use topically on your eyelids. You can massage into your eyelids like chapstick, and they will moisten your eyelids and moisten your eyes and help you dry. If you have severe cases, you can even try putting a drop in your eye before you go to bed. We want to do it at night because it can make your vision a little blurry because it is an oil. So you don't want to take this during the day. Definitely want to take it in the evening before you go to bed because it may give you temporary blurry vision, again, just because of the oil nature or the lipid nature of this. But will absolutely help your dry eye, help with the discomfort. And again, hydrate, really important. Watch diuretics. I have a lot of patients who drink a lot of coffee, drink a lot of soda, use stimulants, even things like smoking or vaping, anything that dries your body out. Or maybe you're taking medication or drinking a lot of green tea that's a diuretic. Makes you urinate a lot. So it's going to help you lose fluids. Even sometimes cholesterol medication. Cholesterol medications can lower your lipid levels and they break down your fats. If you need more help with it, feel free to reach out to me or my staff and my team to ask more questions about what we can do to help.